So yeah, that's what our latest video started at. I was at a spillway in this downtown section on the river, and it's an old mill. And I was basically fishing down there, but my camera, my microphone basically deadened out. I don't know if it's the camera or the mic, but either way, we're going down here and we're going to see if we can catch some crappie. I know there's some bass and some panfish in here, so there's no telling what we'll catch, but let's get to fishing. See if I can't toss it over into there. That spot out there in the middle might be the really good spot though. I'm just gonna cast around a little bit and see what happens. Pop it. I need to get down here. I'm thinking they're going to be up against that wall, possibly. Oh, I'm getting hit. I was getting a hit right there. Oh, something's hitting it. Oh, what did we get? Oh, bass. Not a crappie, but they over there, I figured we'd probably end up getting into a bass. Yep. Thanks, buddy. Alright, let's give this a try again. Right off of that current. Oh, we already got us a hit. Dang. Hit it again. Oh, bluegill. Well, at least we're catching something now. There's two species. Get it over there in that current. Oh, the tail's off her jig. I'm gonna have to switch out now. I think I'm gonna go with maybe an electric chicken and see what happens. There we go. Oh, we were getting a hit. I'm gonna change out this electric chicken. Just not really catching them. I'm gonna go with this crappie magnet right here. See if that helps. A little more realistic. Let's see if I can put it up under that seawall over there. Almost. Oh, I was getting a hit. Oh, something had it. Something's got it right. Oh, something had it right there. Come back. Come back. Come back. Dang. Something had it. Ooh, that's a good spot right there. Right up near that seawall. Well, I'm going to change up my tactics here. I got a 1/32 ounce beetle spin that I'm going to try with a crappie magnet on the back side. So hopefully this catches us some fish. I'm going to try it right here because of this angle. See if I can't pull it right back to me. See if something will nail that. Oh, getting hits. This way we'll be able to cover more water and maybe we'll catch some crappie or some bass and panfish, who knows what. No, they're in here. We're just gonna have to move around more. Oh, there's a fish. Feels like a good one. Big old bluegill. Oh yeah, that's a good bluegill too. Nice, as soon as we did the switch over. Good looking bluegill. Thanks, buddy. Let's do that again. That might be the bluegill hole right there. Getting hits again. They down there. Definitely down there. Trying to keep my rod tip low since I'm so high up in the air here. Not easy. Oh, now that's a fish. What was that? That was big. That might have been a gar. I don't know what it was, but it was big. It had weight to it. Dang. Oh yeah, what was that? That looked like a tilapia. That looked like a big old tilapia. It was all black. Or not tilapia, but Rio Grande cichlid. We came down from the bridge down there the last time I was fishing. This water, usually I've noticed in pools, the fish are at the top and at the back. So we're at the back. So, oh goodness, it's hot. See if anything will bite down in here. Got something, finally. Man, it is a Rio Grande cichlid. That's what's down there. Keep seeing those white flashes. Oh, they are so slippery. See you, buddy. Oh, as soon as it hit the water, I caught something. What is this, a bass? God, this dude nailed it. Soon as it hit the water, I didn't even have time to reel it. That's a Guadalupe bass. Sweet. It's a nice little guy. Thanks, buddy. Oh, medic. Medic. Got him. Thanks. Well, it was a tough day out there on that river. I struggled to catch fish. I've never fished this particular spot. I know there was crappie in there. I know there's bass. I know there's panfish, but it was just a tough day. The conditions were awesome. The spot looked awesome. But maybe if I had the kayak and went back down there, I think I could probably have a better chance at catching more fish. And I know there's some monster bass in this spot too. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.